Hi there, my name is Bella Frueh, Early Childhood Resource Coordinator working in partnership with Mount Washington School. I'm here to welcome you to our virtual open house for spring of 2021, where we are going to get to showcase all of our staff, partners, and our amazing teachers that work together to make Mount Washington School a phenomenal experience for your child, yourself, and your whole family. Part of my role is to support, connect with, and engage with families that live in Mount Washington that have young children, so children under the age of 5, all the way up until they transition into kindergarten. So part of this video and these videos is to support their transition into our programs, like our preschool program, which is 5-star rated, and our wonderful kindergarten program as well. Stay tuned for more transition events and engaging activities, and I will see you soon.